Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So if you see a cute little unicorn popping up on my thumb here throughout the video and you want to check out how I did that, follow this link up here. I did a quick little video on it. So for this video, I have a very exciting product unboxing and review, first impressions kind of thing. So this is the Madam Glam Steam Off Gel Remover. And this is how it came packaged. Everything was packaged really nice, and here are all of its little cords and stuff. So I'm just gonna pull everything out of the box here and show you. Definitely stick around to the end of this video, guys. I have a super exciting thing for you. Maybe probably guess what it is. Giveaway. So stick around to the end of the video for all the details. Okay, back to the product. Here we've got our little warranty card and instruction manual, and inside the instructions are laid out very easy to follow, super easy to set up. Everything was a breeze. So there are all of those, and on the back here is your warranty card. And it comes with little extra like finger hole thingies, which I will show you here in a second. And the top just screws off really easy, and that comes off too. I will show you that. And you just place your hand inside like so. And it also comes with two of these little plastic cups which hold your acetone, and they have their little measurements on the side here. It goes up to 60 ml. I would not recommend putting that much in there. It really doesn't take a lot. So two of those. And you got 4 extra of the little finger holes and 1 that comes in it, so you get 5 total. And this piece just screws off, pops right off, and the little rubber piece comes out, and it's super easy to take apart and put back together. You just line up the holes and pop the thing back on, lock it into place, click, you're done. Super easy and easy to clean, so I like that a lot. And the bottom of the machine here has these nice little rubber feet, so it doesn't slide around so much. Very nice. And just plug it in. And the on switch right here on the side, when you click it on, the red H light is going to come on. That's letting you know that it is heating up. So I'm just going to take my 100% pure acetone and pour it in the little cup here. It says to use 5 to 10 milliliters. I poured a little too much in there, so just be careful not to do that. It did seem like it got a little bit too hot on the first time I used it. I think I had way too much acetone in there. But you just pour your acetone in, click it on, put your lid back on. You'll see the little H light comes on. And in about 2 minutes it is ready to go, and the S light will come on. It'll turn green. That means the steam is ready, and it does a nice little beepy sound when it clicks over to the S, so that's nice. Okay, so on my nails I have for the most part a hard gel overlay with a ton of gel polish on top of it. So what we're going to do is try to see how this works, just soaking off that gel polish that is on top of the hard gel overlay. So as always, you want to break the seal of that top coat, and then you just place your fingers inside and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then pull them out. And this is what it looks like. And you can see some of that polish already like breaking down. And this was a little bit difficult to remove just because I had so many layers of gel polish on. I had base coat, color coats, top coats, then I put the glitter stuff on, the hollow flakies, then 2 more top coats. So there was a ton of layers of polish on here, and it did a pretty good job. With only soaking for 5 minutes, I think it did a really great job of soaking off. So I go ahead and completely remove my hard gel overlay and just take off everything that I had on my nails. Put a regular gel polish on my natural nails. So this is a base coat, 2 coats of color, and 1 coat of top coat, just to test the machine out for like a regular gel polish. So again, you want to break the seal on that top coat. Do that to all the nails. Place in and wait for 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. and I found it extremely easy to remove. This was a darker color, which can be kind of hard to get it all off, and it came off very easily. You don't want to wait too long because the polish will start to harden back up again, and you may have to stick your fingers back in there for a couple more minutes. So I was jumping back and forth here, as you can see, but it all did come off very easy. Even though I waited a little long to finish my thumb up, it did seem to come off very easily, and I did not have to stick my hand back in. And then once I am finished and satisfied with removing all of the gel, or the majority of the gel, I just take a buffer and go over my whole nail to give it a nice light buff, make sure it's nice and smooth and that I've gotten all of the polish off completely. And then some cuticle oil to nourish the nails back after all that acetone, and then I'm done. So final thoughts on the product. I really loved it. It's very easy to put together, it's very easy to take apart and clean, and it works very well. Don't put too much acetone in there. It may seem like it's a little too hot for you. And yeah, that's it. I love it. It's so cute. I think it's going to make a great addition to my salon. So now for the exciting part, I have a giveaway for you guys, and it is one of these steam off gel removers. Madam Glam so graciously sent me one to give away to you guys. So this one's mine. You won't get the one that I unboxed and used. You will get a brand new one, fresh in its box, never opened. And you are also going to get 2 polishes. You're going to get a gel polish and a regular polish. The gel polish and regular polish are almost perfect dupes for each other, so I thought it'd be so cute to have like a whole mani-pedi situation. So yeah, what you need to do is be subscribed to my channel and make sure you're a visible subscriber so I can see that you're subscribed. Like this video for me and leave a comment below that says I love Madam Glam. And there is a link for you to follow in the description box. You're going to need to follow that link to enter the giveaway officially. That will have all the rules and everything in it, and it also has some little things that you can click on for some extra entries, like following me on Twitter and going to my Instagram page and all of that. So check all that out for some extra entries, but definitely click that link. You're going to need to click that to officially enter the giveaway, and this giveaway is starting today on my birthday, which I couldn't think of anything better for my birthday than for me to give something away to my wonderful subscribers. Because I love you all so much. I want to thank you so much for subscribing. I'm almost to 2,500, which is awesome. And I'm going to give this giveaway 3 weeks, so I think it's March 20th when it will end. And I also want to say a huge thank you to Madam Glam for sponsoring this giveaway for me and sending me one of these steam off removers and the gel polish and regular polish for one of my lucky subscribers. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please enter the giveaway. I'm so excited to give this away, and this is US only. And that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!